Proverbs 22 verse 7. The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is slave to the lender. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Practicality at its best. If your goal for 2021, and yes guys, I'm going to say 2021 because you still do have time. All you need is the discipline to do it. Get yourself a copy of this book, Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Very, very practical. And it says, step 1, pay off your credit card. It is always a debt. If it is that you're not in a position to clear your balance at the end of the month, bear in mind that interest will be added and you will still be owing more than what you would have spent. A point to ponder here is that if it is that you went into the supermarket to get a loaf of bread, you do have a credit card, chances are you're going to take up more than that loaf of bread. If it is that you only had a debit card with say $2,000 on it, you would have only spent maybe the cost of that bread. So a debit card allows you to spend within your means. A credit card most times allow us to buy the wants that we really cannot afford. So get rid of that credit card. Number 2, have an emergency fund set aside in an account that is accessible but not too accessible. Also have at least 3 to 6 months worth of salary also in an account that is accessible but not too accessible. So I would suggest that you may not have a debit card, or if you do have a debit card for such an account, please leave it at home or have it somewhere that is very, very safe. So that's step number 2. Step number 3, pay off all debts except for those mortgage, for that particular mortgage rather, because that would be a larger sum. So the furniture loan that you have, the small balance on your car note, pay those off first because those seems more manageable. So that's step number 3. Step number 4, invest at least 15% of your income for retirement. Step number 5, save for college. Step number 6, pay off that mortgage. Pay off that mortgage. And point number 7, build wealth and give back. And I absolutely love this on page 189. When your money makes more than you do, you are officially wealthy. When you can comfortably live on your investment income, you are financially secure. Money is a hard worker, harder than you. Money never gets sick, never gets pregnant, and is never disabled. Money works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Money gets the job done, and it asks for only directions and a firm master. The Total Money Makeover, if your goal is to be financially free or to have financial freedom, it is possible. Get your copy. Practicality at its best. Dave Ramsey, Total Money Makeover.